Hi, I'm Phil Constantine. Here's some more fun with AI. No particular use for it, just a fun thing to do. Your kids might like it. I thought it was funny. And this is a website, a place called huggingface.com spaces, and they have all kinds of AI stuff. You can see it up here on the top left-hand corner up in the address bar, and obviously here on the lower part of the page. And what you can do, there's a ton of different things you can do in here, and one of them is one called Motion Shop 2, which is what I'm on right now. And this is the exact address up there. And what you can do is you can take a short video and add a still picture to it, and Motion Shop 2 will make the still photo replicate or do exactly the same thing that the video was doing. In this particular case, it's a dance. And all you have to do is add the video here, then add the photo here, and it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the what they call the Carlton Dance. And the Carlton Dance is the one from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, and it's where the character Carlton comes in and starts dancing to Tom Jones. And I'm not going to play the music in the background. I mean, maybe just a little bit, just to sort of figure out what it is. But if I play it too loud, then there's a copyright issue. So that's the only reason why I'm not playing it. But most of you have seen this at one time or another. So here's the video. And what you're trying to do is you're going to be matching whatever your picture is to this area right in here. Whatever movements this makes, your image is going to come in. So here's the image I'm going to use. Right here, this is the image that I created in another AI package, so it looks like I'm part of a bubble wrap action figure. So I'm going to take that, and you can either bring it up by clicking on right here, or you can just drop it in, and I'm going to try to drop it in right there and see if it works. Oh, let me move it over here and make sure it's in the first one. All right, so you can't see the whole thing, but it's there. So once you get the two things there together, and you can drop them in again and click and add them, and then you just go to start. Now, one of the nice things about this particular program, once it actually starts working, there we go, okay, is that down in the bottom part here, right here in the bottom right-hand corner, it says processing. And it gives you an estimate on how long it's going to take for this particular project to work, for it to process. And I like that. Not always exactly accurate, and sometimes it depends on how many people are out there. But basically, and these are examples of what the kind of characters. And for this particular one, it works better if they're long and tall. So, a person, a basketball player, whatever model, whatever the case may be. In this particular case, it was me on the action figure kind of thing. So we're going to leave this down here, and I'm going to go ahead and edit out while we're waiting here and come back in once it's finished. Right here you can say it says each generation may take 3 minutes due to the use of the video inpainting and pose estimation methods. So what they're doing is they're trying to get all kinds of vectors set up on where the connection parts on the body are. All right, so there we go. It is done. And that didn't take too long. And now I'm going to play it for you. And you can see, and it actually does have the music that came with it. But again, I've got the music turned down. So watch what happens. Again, this is the video we've got right here, the famous Carlton Dance. And actually, I'm going to play that for you before I show you the final result. So here we go. This is Carlton on Fresh Prince dancing to Tom Jones. And I just snipped this out, cropped it a little bit, and there are all kinds of ways to do that. All right, so this is what and this is the piece of image I used. This is a AI image, or IA, take your choice, internal affairs image of me as an action figure here. All right, there we go. I don't know if you want to see this full screen, but this is what happened after when it processed everything. So there's that still figure of me as an action figure, the still image. Then I tried it using a picture of me as a school crossing guard, and here they are all together. And then it's the Carlton Dance with the one you just saw from the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. So it's free. It's pretty interesting. Now, you may have to register with the website. Didn't charge me anything, nothing. I didn't give any credit cards, anything like that. But this is something that it just was able to do in a short period of time just using AI. Just for fun, No particular uses. Now, I guess you could use it for other purposes, but when you get on the website, it says not for commercial purposes. So they don't want ABC coming in here and doing stuff like this. But if you're using it for your church group or whatever, just for fun or something for the kids to do, it is an interesting little form. All right. Thanks for watching.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please feel free to make comments below as long as the language is family friendly. And if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the circle with my picture in it in the lower right hand corner of the video. The arrow is pointing at it now. And once you have subscribed, you can be notified of when I have a new video posted by clicking on the bell icon in the description field below the video. Thanks again for watching.